lovers. So I'm here with Tommy, Alejandro. This is Ernie from Tracy's office. This is Alante's office, Sarah's office. And Tracy's over there. He just got here from Malibu. And we are going on this bus tour. Right there. We're getting on the bus tour for San Francisco because we got nothing to do for the next couple hours. Where are we at?
Opportunity! Let's go! San Francisco! We're in San Francisco, and I'm grateful to be here, and we're here to turn the city up and slang water all through San Francisco.
Are you excited? What do we came to do to help? What do we?
Excited. We come to help with a new office that was just became two, and we about to help them open it up and stuff. So we're doing some training, some promoting, some little bit of everything.
Evo, tell us a little bit. How you feeling? Where are we?
We're in San Francisco. First time I've been here since I was a kid, so I'm excited.
You enjoying it?
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
All right, we need some movement here. Hey, so you guys give me some love here for the YouTube channel. Where are we at? What are we doing, Tracy?
We in San Francisco, on top of the busy bus, the energy bus. You know, we vibing. We vibing and thriving. Yes, we are. I was about to say San Antonio and San Francisco.
What are we doing? What are we doing here?
Vibing and vibing.
Having a good time.
We are enjoying it.
Tommy, what does our YouTube people want to see on the lobby? They can see you in the lobby, bro.
See you in the lobby, yo. So they know the beautiful city of San Francisco, taking the bus tour, see all the hills and all the sights of the tourists.
How much you pay for this bus? How much you pay for this bus?
It's $500.
And we don't even get to drive. But we get to hang out. It's a beautiful city, beautiful cloudy city. Look at that, dude.
Outside in these streets of San Francisco,
right now.
Yes.
thriving and vibing.
The Bay.
We're going shopping.
Where are we going, Sarah?
We're going shopping.
Shopping where? To what store?
Marshalls.
Ross.
We're going to Ross. Dress for less. Tell YouTube where are we going?
On a boat!
We are waiting for the yacht. So it's really exciting.
And what's your name, sir?
Nate.
Nate?
Yeah.
All right, Lola. We got Jay and Maddie here. Mr. Famous Caleb. Boone, okay. That's Mr. Elijah right there. Claire, and this is Jennifer. Just right out of Mexico and Chicago, Miss Meredith. Then we got the last team over there. Okay. Oh, that sanguine soul over there. Man, you guys look excited. Excited. Some water? Some gas water?
Good, clear water with lemonade and lemon. Delicious.
You having a good time, Tommy?
Great time, great time. Yes, sir. Have a great time, Mom.
Let us see, the world is nice out there. Some people here, some great people here. These are some great people. This is Miara. Yes, yes. And what's your name again? Nate? Amani. Yes. There you go.
Hey!
Are you guys having a good time?
Yes, sir!
Tell us a little bit your thoughts on tonight. Yeah.
The guy holding the camera, juice.
Is this good?
We're in Fantasyland right now. I can't believe it. This is rich people territory.
And can you believe that this was all inclusive? I didn't pay a dime.
Show us the views, Jacob.
You look way off in the distance. See all those buildings?
Let me
That's the
see
bridge
that.
right there.
Zoom in right there.
That's the skyline and that's the bridge right there.
Yeah. Just know.
Into the water.
See, over there is ownership. Over there is ownership. A lot of people tend to fall off when they have play points.
We're in the middle of the pond of San Francisco on a floating plane, enjoying our time listening to pit bulls, enjoying and having some growth. Everybody at all levels of the business, from the top down, all that. We're just having fun here. Yeah.
Oh,
Another one.
one, two, three. Yeah.
Ooh.